Good morning, guys. Big job of coming to you guys. I'm gonna do a startup this morning and let you guys hear the True Dual exhaust on the TRD Pro. You can get an idea for the sound and the differences from the regular exhaust. Alright guys, I'm taking out the truck for a quick drive around, get some Starbucks, but as you can see I am a pretty big guy. Got a little bit of room before my head hits the area by the sunroof, but like I said, very big, voluminous interior and really comfortable seats, unlike the GMCs and Chevys I've been in, but kind of hear a little bit of the exhaust if you listen carefully, but nothing too crazy. And I'll get on it a few times so you can get an idea of how loud the exhaust is, but very nice feature. Alright guys, going a little bit up some elevation change here in my neighborhood, but hear the exhaust really kick in. Also a lot of road variations here, so truck really handles it well. It has these new, it looks like Michelin AT3s, which some people have complained doesn't look like it has enough grab on the wheel, on the tire, but to me seems to be a very good tire, pretty comfortable, and I think it should be fine for general off-road purpose, but you'd always upgrade it to BFGs or KO2s or Goodyear, Duratec, and whatever's out there, but these seem to be pretty good and smooth is kind of what I look for. I'm going to get on it real quick. You see a little bit of that power, and definitely kicks in pretty well. Other than that, pretty quiet. Guys, what's cool here about the suspension is there's this bump I'm about to hit right now. And this truck soaks it up pretty well. I can tell you on my 2009 Lexus, that bump gets absorbed pretty well, but still sends the car kind of somewhat sideways. I had a BMW before that, 335. That bump would almost send the car sideways. So pretty impressive that this truck just eats it up like it's nothing. But another great point of that Fox bypass shock. Pretty cool. Well, cool guys, thanks for hanging out with me this morning and listening to exhaust. I know that some of you wanted to hear how it was, but not as interested as I thought it would be, but not as quiet as I thought it would be either. But I am starting to get used to it and starting to enjoy it. And like I said, I haven't heard any droning or anything like that, so pretty happy with that. TRD tips I was talking about, the black ones, you can see the TRD embossed into them, and it runs all the way back. And like I said, it's a true dual exhaust, so it's going to be kind of hard to see here, but let me go to the other side. You can definitely see it then, where it's you can see the dual pipes kind of bent upwards together, but there you go. See those right there? That is your true dual exhaust, and it splits off.